In this video, we're going to be talking about YouTube Shorts monetization. It's new since February 1st, 2023. Now, I created this video for those of you out there who consider yourself small, nano, micro influencers, creators on YouTube who first became monetized because of your long form content. So videos longer than 60 seconds. That means that you qualify for monetization because of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You're at this turning point trying to make a decision whether YouTube Shorts is right for you or not. And I'm going to show you behind the scenes on my channel how my channel in terms of revenue is performing, the analytics since its inception in February. I recorded this video for you guys if you want to learn more about the impact Shorts may have on your channel as well. I'm going to show you behind the scenes what the numbers are showing after just a couple of days. In fact, YouTube is already accumulating some revenue from me for the month of January. Let's get started. So when you get this email, many of you did on February 1st, but if you actually paid attention inside the studio, there's also a message inside. And if you don't have this email, I'm going to show you very quickly right now how to get to that page and how to make sure you have accepted the policy and all that jazz. So right now, if you have accepted the terms and conditions, you'll be prompted to this message inside your studio, which means there's no further action needed. Now, if you click done, you will see behind this section here, you have, again, under earn, under overview, you will have, watch page ads, a short feed. So this is what we're talking about here. Click on view. Right now it says starts shorts feeds ads revenue starts February 2023. Now here's what I noticed, and you can click on learn more. By the way, I do recommend that you watch and read this page and actually watch this video. It's really helpful. It actually further breaks down what the revenue share model is with and without music. So with that said, let me go ahead and show you. Today is February 2nd, just the day after the revenue has been enabled. By the way, we do not have 10 million views on our YouTube channel for Shorts, but we have been monetized. We are, let's take a look at the dashboard. As of today, a little over 21,000 subscribers. But here's what I want to show you. Under analytics, we're going to go into, first of all, what triggered me to record this video is I saw this huge revenue jump going from 400 to all of a sudden 533. So let's go into revenue and let's take a look. So under content performance in terms of revenue, I have videos, $502. Look at this. I have shorts. Estimated revenue right now it's $25. And then I also have live stream, which is something I enjoy doing, but I don't necessarily get paid a lot for. So let's take a look at the RPM. So for shorts, revenue for every 1,000 views RPM is $1. And right now my views is about 21,000. Let's take a look at videos. Average RPM right now is $12. Views is 42,000. So isn't that interesting? Please let me know in the comments below how you're thinking about exploring shorts content. If you don't have it, I do recommend that you do that. By the way, here's one tip. As you're preparing for your long form content, if you're a long form creator, start thinking about the shorts you want to create from a long form video. How many should you create? Why not create more than one? One is certainly good, but sometimes I see nuggets and clips generated from long form that could be 2 or 3 or even more, especially when I do these live stream content. This one, for instance, with Rob Balasabas, that was just like so many nuggets about YouTube revenue, about sponsorships, brand deals, and all that. Let's continue to ride this wave. I'm going to definitely be recording one more video at the end of February, so that will conclude the first month of Shorts being monetized. Hey guys, if you like this video, be sure to click on the next video on your screen right now where I walk you through my entire revenue, all revenue streams from YouTube and YouTube adjacent for the year 2022. You'll be surprised that even though my YouTube revenue and watch time were down pretty significantly, 30 to 40%, I ended up making more money. Let's find out how.